Welcome to HordRT's Equipment Operation Showcase. We have more than 50 advanced machines focusing on rapid prototyping and high-precision mold manufacturing. In this video, you will see the actual operation process of efficient collaboration among various core devices. To further enhance our production capabilities and machining precision, we've recently added 2 new EDM machines from Japan's Makino brand, strengthening our competitiveness in high-precision mold manufacturing. EDM is a crucial process for handling complex geometries and high-hardness materials. Our EDM systems are capable of achieving ultra-fine surface finishes, precision up to 0005 m, ensuring excellent dimensional consistency for complex mold parts. We have also recently added a new Makino Wire EDM machines to further strengthen our capabilities in complex part machining. Our Makino Wire EDM machines operate in a thermally controlled environment. They can achieve cutting precision up to 0005 m, with excellent surface finish, burr-free edges, and zero cutting stress. Milling uses high-speed rotating multi-edge cutting tools to machine workpieces along preset paths, precisely removing material to create complex geometries and high-precision surfaces. During the milling process, we strictly control the cutting parameters to ensure efficient completion of the entire machining process. Grinding is an indispensable and critical process in precision manufacturing, mainly utilizing high-speed rotating grinding wheels and precise cutting actions. Grinding can remove very thin layers of material to ensure parts achieve extremely high dimensional accuracy and surface quality. We are equipped with a variety of advanced CNC grinding machines, capable of handling parts of different shapes and sizes. This concludes the comprehensive demonstration of HordRT's advanced equipment and precision processes, supported by an experienced operations team and rigorous quality control systems. HordRT is committed to delivering fast, precise, and reliable mold manufacturing solutions. Whether for rapid prototyping or low-volume production, we can meet your diverse needs and ensure every part meets the highest standards. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website to learn more, and we look forward to partnering with you to create excellence together.